So for me, I prefer Chelsea going to sign someone who is ahead of Jackson and Delap. Because for me, if I'm going to do my comparison very well, see, I am, to be honest, I'm going to say this from my heart. If I'm going to compare Delap for now, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Football Lions. This is our boy Richman. In fact, guys, let's talk about this information from Enzo Maresca. Maresca says something about Delap, Victor Gyökeres, Victor Osimhen, and Nicolas Jackson and Benjamin Sesko. As we all knew that Chelsea is in search, or Chelsea is searching to sign a striker. For that matter, during Maresca press conference, he said certain things about Delap, that he wants a player or a striker profile like Nicolas Jackson. And this season, Delap is doing well. Delap scores some number of goals, 12 goals. Yes, that Delap look like Nicolas Jackson. Nicolas Jackson look alike. What and what? As you are watching on the screen or reading on the screen, you can pause the video and watch or read it. Yes, that when Nicolas Jackson is playing, Chelsea attack flow. When Nicolas Jackson is playing, our attack is good. He praised Nicolas Jackson. He praised Delap. Yes. And as I said already, Chelsea want to sign a striker this season. For that matter, Osimhen's name is being on the list. Gyökeres, Sesko, and Delap name is being on the list. So Maresca saying this about Delap. That means he is interested. Yes, Maresca wants Delap. Guys, to be honest, since the season started, this is not the first time he spoke well about Delap. I can still remember since the season started, he had that conversation already. Yes, he praised him, that he knew him very well when they were at Manchester City. Yes, what and what, yes. So it means that Maresca wants Delap. And Delap is not a bad player. Delap is never a... See, the guy is good. I like his aggressiveness, his power, his pressure. I like him. But actually, my issue here is that now we want a proven striker. Not just a striker. We have been complaining that just we need center back, we need defenders. It isn't that we don't have defenders. We have Liverpool, we have Badiashile and Co, Disasi, Tosin Chelo. But just that the level, the standard of these our defenders are so low. So we have a striker, we have Nicolas Jackson, we have Nkunku, but they are not playing to expectation. They are not delivering. They are not playing the way that we want. They are not scoring the goals that we want. That is the issue. It isn't that we just want to sign a striker. Then if Chelsea just want to sign a striker, they should come and sign me. I can do the work. I'm giving Chelsea 20 goals in a season. I'm telling you. Chelsea should come and sign me. If it is that Chelsea just want a striker. So this is why some of us, we are not prioritizing signing Delap. No. It isn't that I am against Delap signing or some of us are against Delap signing. No. When Chelsea sign him, I'm going to support him till he leaves Chelsea. I'm going to back him till he leaves Chelsea. But for now, if I can go for a proven striker, why not? If I can go for someone who is ahead of Delap and Nicolas Jackson, why not? Why not, guys? Oh, Todd Bowley. Oh, Eric Bailey. Why are you doing this to Chelsea fans? Why is it that always you will never listen to the Chelsea fans? Go and give us Isak. Go and give us Osimhen. Last season, you let Alvarez go. What is that? What is that, Todd Bowley? Yes. So it isn't that Chelsea just want to sign a striker. We want already made, proven striker. And you can't tell me there's no difference here. We have huge gap, different from a developing striker and already made striker or experienced striker. No. So for me, I prefer Chelsea going to sign someone who is ahead of Jackson and Delap. Because for me, if I'm going to do my comparison very well, see, I am, to be honest, I'm going to say this from my heart. If I'm going to compare Delap for now, I'm comparing him to Magui. I'm comparing Delap to not even Jackson. See, last season, Jackson scored something like 17 goals with a penalty goals. Now, penalty goal. Delap, this is his first season in the Premier League. He scored 12 goals. Jackson scored something like 9 to 10 goals. So, Delap and Jackson, in fact, Jackson is higher of Delap. Jackson days at Villarreal. He scored some fine goals, number of goals at Villarreal La Liga. So, for me, I can even say that Jackson has been in the system before Delap. Jackson has seen it more before Delap. Even if I'm going to compare or choose experienced striker among these two strikers, I'm choosing Jackson. Not because Jackson is just a player or Jackson is my player. No, I'm being real here. I'm being honest here. So for that matter, if my team is going to sign a striker, I will want my team to go and sign already made, proven striker. Because imagine we are having Jackson who is not scoring, who is not giving us the goals. Now we are going to sign a striker who is below that Jackson, who can score, who can give us goals. Then what is the reason of signing a striker? What is the reason of signing a striker? Yes. And I want Chelsea to sign as experienced strikers based on these three reasons. Number one, next season, Chelsea must compete for the Premier League title. Number one, next season, Chelsea must compete for the Premier League title. We don't want to hear anything again. 4 seasons in a row, we can't be suffering to just get top four. No. If not because we are in this conference league, maybe, hopeful, we win it. Chelsea will be going trophy this season. And we haven't even win it. Yes. But let's hope we win it. Yes. If not because of this conference league, Chelsea will be going trophy this season. So first and foremost, I want Chelsea to sign a striker because next season, Chelsea must compete for the league title. I'm telling you. And you can't compete for the league title when you don't have a scoring number 9. When you don't have a striker. That is the issue with Arsenal. That they can play all the nice, the beautiful football. Who is there to put the ball at the back of the net? That is the problem. So before we can compete for the Premier League title next season, Chelsea must sign a striker. We must sign a proven striker, a goal-scoring striker, a prolific striker, a clinical striker. So this is the first reason why I want Chelsea to go and sign the likes of Isak, experienced player like Osimhen and co, and maybe Victor Gyökeres and co. Yes, not Delap and co. No. And the second reason why I want Chelsea to sign experienced striker is that you see our attackers. Do your check-ins very well. When the season started, all our attackers were scoring. When Jackson was scoring, when Palmer was scoring, it led to all our attackers being alive. They were scoring goals. Neto was scoring. Maresca was scoring. Jackson was scoring. Palmer was scoring. And you know what was the reason? Because the striker was scoring. If you have a clinical striker, it will help or improve other attackers to be able to score goals. Yes, I'm telling you, if you have experienced striker, it will help a lot with other attackers to score. To some extent, Sancho and Co started scoring because our striker was scoring. But immediately Jackson's scoring went off. Even it affected Cole Palmer. Want to talk of Maresca, want to talk of Neto and Co. So for that matter, we must get experienced striker. Someone who will not need so many chances before he scores. And when he is scoring, it will help other attackers to also improve, to also start scoring. So this is one of the reasons why I want Chelsea to sign experienced striker and not a development striker or developmental striker again. No. And my third reason why I want Chelsea to sign experienced striker, guys, next season, I don't want to see Chelsea is now struggling to get top 4 like this season. Some games, we were supposed to win it, but because we were not having a clinical finisher, a clinical striker, we could not win those games. So Chelsea must sign a striker to avoid these kind of things. Chelsea struggling to... Now it looks like top 4 is a trophy for Chelsea. I don't understand. Because we don't have a clinical or prolific striker. This season, top 4 is like a trophy for Chelsea. I'm telling you. So we must get experienced striker. Some games, Jackson continue missing chances. And not every day you can miss 1 or 2 chances and get it back. So immediately you get the first chance, bury it, kill it. And it takes experienced strikers to be able to do that. Yes, not all strikers can convert their early chances or their first time chances. No. So for that matter, you need proven experienced striker. You need a proven experienced striker. Osimhen is there. Isak is there. Yes. Gyökeres is there. Go and bring these players. We are Chelsea. We are a big team. We deserve better. No. We can't be signing academy players all over the world, bringing them. No, we have to balance the squad. Todd Bowley, balance the squad. You can sign your young players, but please balance the squad. Balance the squad. Yes. See, no team will survive without experienced players. No team. No. See, we can't remove experience from football. Any day that experience removed from football, football is gone like that, dead like that. No way. And Champions League, guys, let's be honest. If your team is going to have a balanced squad, go and check over the past years with Chelsea. You must have that experienced and inexperienced players so that the experienced ones will be guiding the inexperienced ones. You need them. See, no matter how the situation, we must sign experienced players if we want to compete, or it will take time. And this taking time, Chelsea, we are not used to that. Even you saying that you are building, you are doing this and that, your competitors are not building. Your competitors are buying already built players. They are buying already made players to come and compete with the same trophies that you are competing with. Chelsea is not competing alone. We are not playing alone. If Chelsea were to be playing alone, then there's no competition. We are playing with the likes of Liverpool, Man City, and Co, Arsenal, and Co, with one Premier League. Once you are using your 17 years, 18 years guys all over to come and compete with that Premier League, someone went and signed already made experienced players, and you want to win the league ahead of that person. No, it can't happen. God is not Chelsea fan. God is not Manchester United fan. God is not Arsenal fan. God is not Barcelona fan. God is not Real Madrid fan. God is not any team fan. God is a fan of any team that are serious. God is a fan of any team that are ready to compete and win titles. So guys, we must sign experienced strikers. Chelsea need experienced strikers. Yes, the lab is good. Maresca praised him. He praised Jackson. Jackson is good. But actually, we still need more. Chelsea need better. Chelsea need better players. Chelsea need proven players. So guys, let me hear from you under the comment section all what we discussed in this video about Enzo Maresca saying about Dilap and Nicola Jackson and Victor Gyökeres signing experience. Do you really think Chelsea we need experienced striker, guys? Let me hear from you, and please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscription button. When I see the numbers, it gives me the belief, the motivation to give you more videos. Take care. Peace.